We are throwing it back to a classic character who is absolutely notorious for his terrible driving record. But today, he's taking a wild detour into the 21st century. Welcome back to the workshop. For this project, we are laser engraving a high-speed mashup, Mr. Toad racing his vintage motorcar right through the middle of a chaotic modern city traffic jam. The background skyscrapers require hundreds of intricate parallel lines to give the city its massive scale. Let's look at contrast. With a burn this dense, you have to precisely balance your speed and power settings. If the laser burns too hot, the modern cars on the street will bleed right into the buildings behind them, losing that beautiful separation. Look at the incredible sense of motion captured in the wood grain. The way the smoke and dust clouds billow out from his rear tires makes it feel like he's actually flying down the avenue. The clean, dark lines on his driving goggles look razor sharp. And there it is, Mr. Toad's modern-day traffic escape, fully brought to life on wood. A chaotic, high-contrast burn that was an absolute blast to make. Make sure to stay tuned for the upcoming channel quiz. Drop your rating below. And subscribe. Work safe, and I'll see you on the next line.